Good morning, students. Today, the last topic in control and coordination in human body will deal with, and that is the importance of health and personal hygiene during adolescence. Means what are the things we have to do, or especially at the time of adolescent stage, what are the things you have to follow regarding your health, that we have to discuss today. So the most important thing is eat healthy diet, that is regular healthy meal is very important, the first point. Second is exercise regularly. Exercise means you have to do any kind of exercise, either it may be related to sports or some yoga or meditation, so that things can also be done during your adolescence period. And the third is the adequate rest. Rest is very important during this time. So if you take proper rest also, then also you can tackle the stress and whatever the stress and tensions which you face during this stage or during this time, you can tackle with. So what are the things we have to, for the stress management, what are the points we have to deal with, and what are the personal hygienes we have to maintain during this period of adolescence. And the first thing is you have to take daily bath. And we all know that perspiration, that is the excess secretion of the sweat and perspiration occurs during this stage. So they can be taken proper care by using deo and other anti-perspirant. And you have to also wash your face at least twice a day to remove the acne and the pimples, especially which comes at this stage. And third is the clean the genital area. So these are the some of the points we have to follow during this adolescent stage. And what are the things we have to follow for the stress management? Because here I have told you that physical as well as emotional stress mostly the children they face during this stage. So to deal with the stress, to have some positive and negative stress in your body or in your life during this stage, and this can be controlled by the adrenaline hormone which are secreted by the adrenal glands. So adrenal glands, you all know it is a gland which secretes the adrenaline hormone, and these adrenaline hormone is very important to tackle the stress or to cope up with the situations which arise during this stage. Next is the meditation. Meditation is very important to relieve from the stress, and in meditation you can also do that, you sit in the quiet place for some time, and by this also you can relieve the stress. Another thing is the yoga. Yoga is very important. So yoga means any kind of asanas you can do during this stage, because by doing the asanas your body becomes flexible as well as muscles and joints also becomes active. Not only this, it also increases the blood circulation in our body. So it is also very important. So you should do any kind of yoga or any kind of asanas can be done during this time. Another is time management, because this time is very precious for you, and how to use the time or utilize the time properly, this is only called time management. So time management means what are the things important we can do that you should do first. You should utilize the time wisely, and we can also take some time for the rest and relaxation of our body. So rest and relaxation is very important. So this can also be done, or you should spend some more time in rest as well as relaxation also. Besides this, the sports, we should play some kind of sports during this period, adolescent period. And sports can be either walking daily in the morning or in the evening, jogging also, swimming, cycling, or any kind of sports you are interested, like cricket, hockey, whatever sports you can play during this time, so that it not only keeps our body fit and active, but also cope up with the stress which we feel during this stage. So to deal with the stress also, you should play any kind of sports. And the last thing is the rational thinking. Rational thinking, how to think properly, and according to that you have to act properly also. And this is very important, especially when we are facing the difficult situation. So what kind of thinking we are having in our mind, and what kind of positive thinking we should only take, especially to cope up with the stress. So these are some of the points you have to deal with to remove the stress during the adolescent stage. So after this the chapter is over, and you have to do all the exercise questions as well as the whatever the notes or things I have given to you.